Hello YouTube, back at it again, w126 live. I wanted to share something with you, and that's the concerning my external mic. Well, guys, take a look at that. My apparatus. I got a boya external mic, but it doesn't fit on the Android. It was for what was it for? For the iPhone. So I got an adapter met een stukje rod with a connector, and I taped it in and I put it in like this. Now it won't fit on the gimbal, but it fits like this. I wanted to tell you something about it, this constriction apparatus, because the Moya external mic doesn't work with your Android normal camera, so you have to put open camera software on it, and then it works perfectly. And I made it like this, and I wanted to do a little test on it because I was telling in another video that it was crashing a lot, 5 times in a row, but I fixed it with the open cam software, especially for external mics. And this is it. This is gonna be in the car. So I'm gonna make a test for that so you can hear the difference in the sound, and I hope I can edit the movies together somehow. Don't know how, don't know when, but maybe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.